Hey, what's up guys? Today we're unboxing a new Macropad, the Jawn from our friends over at Keebio. Keebio has been a long-time supporter and sponsor of my content. Be sure to check them out. If you do happen to go over to Keebio's website, be sure to use this promo code right here. Kirball will save you 5% at checkout. Let's go ahead and hop over here to this product page. Currently, the Jawn is available in 4 different colors. You've got Dolphin Gray, Royal Blue, Lilac, and Seafoam Green. There is a white coming soon. There is also B stock available for $10 less. There's currently a Founders Edition available as well, and it is available in pastel green and midnight green as B stock. This board is built off of the BD9 Revision 2 PCB. It supports 9 keys or 6 keys and 3 rotary encoders, 7 keys, 2 rotary encoders, 8 keys, 1 rotary encoder. You get it. You know how numbers work. There's an aluminum top and bottom. It does have a 7-degree typing angle. It is a stainless steel switch plate, and there's also an FR4 switch plate included. This also comes with this handy carrying case, and that's about it as far as this product page goes. So let's go ahead and hop into this. I've been looking forward to this for a while. I think I am going to Mil-Max it personally and use it as a switch tester. I am going to a meetup soon, and someone was asking if I was going to bring a switch tester so they could try out some various switches that I offer. So I think this will make a perfect tester for that reason. So let's see what we've got inside. We've got a Keebio sticker. This case actually looks really good. As always, a Keebio keychain. I've got a heck of a collection of those. Probably just showed you my address for a little bit too long. Let's get that out of here. All right, let's take a look here. Also, guys, if you're over on Keebio's site, pick up some of these FR4 drink coasters. I love mine. It's always on my desk. I had a few of them. I don't know where any of the other ones are. I have got to find them because lately I've been having multiple drinks and just having one on the desk is not enough. So let's check this out. So this does seem to be a pretty well-made case here. It's got the Keebio logo on top. It is black with this nice green accent. It does have most of Keebio's colors. It's a little string there that comes right off. So here is the BD9 PCB. We have the FR4 plate. We've got some feet and an Allen key. Let's see if I can get this out of there. It is a tight fit. And we're back. Apparently when I moved the case, I pressed the space bar. Sorry about that. I finished filming everything, and then I was like, why is the video so short? Oh, because I'm an idiot. So anyways, back to where we left off. Let's unwrap this case here. As you can see, I did get the Dolphin Gray one. Also, I want to say this new tissue paper that you got here with your logo on it is pretty cool, Keebio. Props for cool new packaging things. Let's zoom in and take a look here. Now, as you can see, the steel plate is in here. You also had an FR4 plate should you choose to use that. When you turn it over, you will see it's got Keebio on the back and room for 2 feet that are included. You also got your Allen key to take the case apart. The BD9 PCB does support 3 rotary encoders across the top. It does have 9 per key LEDs, Keebio logo, reset button on the bottom, your microcontroller, standard PCB stuff, nothing super special there. As you can see, it does support Chalk and Alps switches as well, so that is cool. So if you don't want to use the standard MX switches, you've got other options. I'll probably be Mil-Maxing this, like I believe I said in the part of the video that didn't get cut off. I'm going to be Mil-Maxing this, and I think it's going to make a nice switch tester. So I'm looking forward to building this out. It does support 3 rotary encoders, like I said, so if you need lots of knobs, it's got you covered. I think this would be a great little PCB, great little Macropad for anyone that needs something for quick scene changes. If you're a content creator and you don't have a stream deck, or if you just need to set up 9 macros. This is a neat little case. I do have a BDN9 that I can't find. I think I may have already packed it with stuff that I moved to my new place. I was hoping to pull that out and compare the differences, but unfortunately I do not have it here at my house. So thanks so much for checking out this video, guys. I appreciate you being here. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found something you might be interested in purchasing. If not, thanks for hanging out. Hope you have a fantastic rest of your week, and I hope to see you again. Thanks so much for hanging out, and hope you have a good one. Bye.